welcome back to another iHunter video, and today Apple released two new iPads. Where's our So, it turns out that little leak and rumor was true, and Apple released some iPads today. They released a new iPad mini and an iPad Air. So the new iPad mini is not called the iPad mini 5, it's just called the new iPad mini. And it looks identical to the last generation, except they have updated it to that new gold that's like on the MacBook Air. Like, it has the same colors as the MacBook Air. And I think they updated Touch ID to 2nd generation, and that's it externally. They updated the camera a little, they added the A12 Bionic chip, and they added Apple Pencil, so a few of the other specs, and added a True Tone display, and that's about it. They really didn't do too much to the iPad mini. They just really gave it a spec upgrade, and it really did need one, but I mean, they ain't giving much. And then they also came out with an iPad Air, and now there was an iPad Air like yesterday. There was an iPad Air a few years ago. They had the iPad Air and the iPad Air 2. And it's the next iPad Air. So it is the exact same size as the previous 10.5-inch iPad Pro, and it has a 10.5-inch screen. It has Apple Pencil support for a smart keyboard, and really, it's almost the same as the 10.5-inch iPad Pro, except with an A12 Bionic chip and not stereo speakers, and not quite as good of a camera. But other than that, it is like the next version of the 10.5-inch iPad Pro, except with the branding under iPad Air. Both the iPad mini and the iPad Air use the 1st generation Apple Pencil, so you're not going to get support for the 2nd generation Apple Pencil, which is sad, but I mean, that's that. And the iPad Air uses the 1st generation smart keyboard, so you're not getting any of the premium things you would get with the iPad Pro on these iPads, and you're also not getting a ProMotion display, which I really was hoping that would come to the iPad Air when we got those leaks and rumors a little earlier. Now you can expect a full review and unboxing of both of these products coming later on my channel. The shipping date is in between March 29th and April 1st. So we'll see when they get delivered and see when I can get an unboxing done. And yeah, that's really all I have to say in this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. But if you're already subscribed, try checking out this video right here. Or check out my website, www.ihunterproductions.weebly.com. Or just check the link in the description.